The red flag is up. Grade 4, Balagtas. And grade 3, Dagohoy.
Ayaw kay dagat, paspas lag lihok.
Salvage team already secured the important document. Here, the red flag is up for grade 3, Lapu-Lapu. Grade 3, Dagohoy, grade 3, Tagansera, and grade 4, Balagtas. Fighting team, activate.
Nagkandak mi karon og earthquake drill.
Security team leader, please report. Security team leader, please report. Thank you. Okay. So security team already secured the area. Proper clear. Okay, the fire is up. Thank you, firefighting team. Balagtas, clear. Grade 3, Tandansera. Grade 3, Dagohoy, clear.
Paspas lihok, paspas. Hoy, Tandansora.
Communication team, activate. Action team. Information team leader, please report. First aid.
Bidyuhan ta mo. Pag-hi lang mo sa kong vlog.
So thank you for your team. All the casualties and injured have already been first aided. PRM coordinator, I declare this earthquake drill and fire drill terminated. Thank you and God bless everyone. Pwede na po tayong lumalik sa ating silid-aralan. Thank you students and all the participants, of course, with our class advisors. Thank you so much for your participation. God bless everyone.